down to the ground. You're dragging me, it's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune, and today in front of me I have one of the best carbon fiber helmets. Why best? Because this is FIM rated. What is FIM rating? You can Google it out. It is one of the best ratings, way above everything else for safety standards. And this carbon fiber is 9H rated, which means it has got not almost, but 6 layers of carbon fiber, but it is absolutely light. So let's unbox it and see what all comes in it. So this is the FF805 from LS2 Thunder Road Race. Let's take it off the box and see what all comes along with it. You get a free tinted visor with it. Along with the visor, you get a lot of more stuff, which I'll show you in some time. I'll remove these things and show it to you. But let's come straight to the helmet. So it comes in a bag which you can carry along. So you're going on a track, you're driving out to the track, you can carry your helmet in the bag. It's a nice thick bag, and let me take it off the bag too. So once it is out of the bag, you get a regular helmet bag too inside. Let me keep the bag aside for some time. You get the regular helmet cover too inside, and I can already feel it. It is feather light. It is like half the weight of my regular helmets, and this is the carbon fiber helmet. So beautiful, so well crafted. So this already has EC rating and ISI branding too. ISI safety rating too. So you can wear it in India also without any issue. And coming to the starting point, so your visor will not open accidentally. It has got a lock. Once you press this lock, then only the visor opens up. Of course, you can easily swap the visors. You can put the tinted one if you're riding during the day. Of course, it is a track racing helmet, so it doesn't come with any inner visor. It only comes with a external visor. And coming to once your once the visor is locked, you might feel quite hot inside. So let me show you what all vents it gets. So one at the chin, you get over here, first vent. Second at the forehead, you get a vent over here, and these operate very easily. They are feather touch. You don't have to play around much with it. You got two more vents here for your head, upper head. You got your exhaust vents over here. Another one is here, and you got smaller vents out here too. So overall, this is really well planned, well made, well thought behind. And if you look at the design, it is completely aerodynamic. It has got nice fins at the air. So once you're on the track, you're going to have a good balance on the track too. So I was talking about the FIM rating. You can scan this logo and get all the information about it also. And regarding safety, it has got double D ring lock, and that too comes in a nice red color, anodized one. Coming to your inner liners, you can easily remove them with the finger in case of accident. If the helmet needs to be taken off your head, the liners can be pulled off and taken off, and then the helmet can be taken off. And look at the premiumness inside. Look at this finish. It is so premium. You feel like a sofa inside. You do also get a nice chin curtain over here to protect the cold wind getting in directly. So this size is XL. Of course, you can also wear your eyeglasses inside. You got a nice slot over here which will support your eyeglasses or sunglasses. So let me show what all comes along with it. Lot of stuff. So these are all the additional things that come along with the helmet. You got an additional nose deflector, nose page of direct wind that will come. That is a deflector for that. You got your anti-fog system pin lock. You got a whole set. You got a tear off set for your windscreen, for your visor ahead. You also got a water pipe. This attaches to the helmet inside, and you got a neck protector inside along with some reflective stickers. So that was it about the helmet and all. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments and I'll get answers for you. If I don't have answers, I'll connect with LS2 and get answers for you. If you want to purchase this particular helmet, it costs around 45,000 and you can get it from any LS2 premium outlet, or if you're in Pune, you can also visit this particular store. I'm at the distributor. These guys, LS2 in India is almost there from 18 to 20 years. So again, you don't have to worry about any spares about the helmets and all. So all locations, I'll leave it in the video description. You can surely connect with them or get in touch with me. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon.
I don't know nobody on my level, dripping stars like a boss, plus I'm rocking heavy metal.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging.